You've been a stranger lately, and I know that's not you. Easy come, easy go.
Hey दोस्तों, मैं हूं आपका भाई अनिर्बान and you are watching the Geek Anyone channel, and today I'm going to do the unboxing of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro, which is the successor of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro, and that was a very much popular phone. So watch this video carefully, like this video, so let's see. This is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro box, the quick start guide and the warranty card, the charger and the USB cable, and this one is a 5 volt at 2 amps. The silicone case, and this one is a SIM ejector tool. Last but not the least is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro smartphone. So at the back of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro, this one is a MI branding. At the middle there is a fingerprint scanner, and at the top side there is a black camera hum. That's a 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual camera with dual tone LED flash. And at the right side there is a power on button with the volume up down button over here. And at the top side there is a 3.5mm headphone jack with a noise cancellation microphone and the IR blaster. At the left side there is a dual SIM tray, that is a hybrid SIM slot, and at the bottom there is a speaker grill, and the USB port is not a USB type C. And at the front side there is some sensors and 20 megapixel plus 2 megapixel camera. This is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro, which is the successor of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. So should you need to upgrade this Redmi Note 6 Pro from the Redmi Note 5 Pro? So watch this video at the end. First of all, let's go inside the Android settings, what Android version is giving. So about phone, Android version is 8.1.0 out of the box you are getting. See, and they claim that you will get the Android Pie soon. With that, this phone comes with a MIUI 10 version, so that's very interesting thing. With that, see the toggles have also been changed. See the brightness mode, you can also increase like decrease like this. That's pretty nice. The enhancement has done quite drastically, very much good. First of all, इसका build quality बहुत ही अच्छा है, and it is very much similar with the Redmi Note 5 Pro. It's a metal unibody design, and the color is very much premium. See the cobalt blue. This is the cobalt blue color. This is not a royal blue, but this blue color is really something very much exceptional for me. And with that, see the front, it's looking almost the Apple iPhone 10s or the 10s Max. Yes, that's a very much wide bezels over here, but still it looks premium. If you compare with the Redmi Note 5 Pro or the Redmi Note 6 Pro, the build quality is very much similar. See, the whole design is very much similar, but this looks a little bit premium. This Redmi Note 6 Pro sports the Snapdragon 636 octa-core processor with their 4GB RAM version, 64GB internal, which cost almost 13,999. And there is also another version, that's 6GB RAM version and 64GB internal, which cost almost 15,999, and it has a 4000 mAh battery with that 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual camera and dual LED flash. At the front, 20 megapixel plus 2 megapixel sensor over here, and see the big notch over here, which looks pretty much dull. With that, the fingerprint sensor and the face unlock feature you are having. Notepad apps are also there. See the Amazon, the Facebook, the Netflix, the Daily Hunt, Opera Mini. Few apps are over here. With that, you can also uninstall. I hope so. Yes, you can uninstall if you want. See, it's get uninstalled. So that's pretty nice thing. Let's go inside the storage and see. Out of 64GB, you are having 51.44GB is free, and I haven't installed any of the apps till now. So these are the storage which you are getting. Let's see the fingerprint scanner, how it works. So 1, 2, 3, it unlocks. Again 1, 2, 3, it unlocks. The fingerprint sensor is very much fast. So let's see how the face unlock feature works. Let's close this, just tap it, and yes, it opens. Again, just tap it, it opens. The face unlock feature is not that very much fast compared to the fingerprint scanner, but it really works. See the quality of the camera, which is the main essential point for everyone. Click it, and this time they have provided 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel camera. Redmi Note 5 Pro में भी सेम कैमरा था, लेकिन इस बार Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro में कुछ ट्विस्ट किया है कैमरा में. So देखिए क्या क्या है. First of all, let's click on photo over here. The shutter speed is fast, and see the quality of the photo. It's pretty decent. See, the yellows are really yellow, and the colors are much more punchier and vivid too. With that, AI mode is also having. See the AI camera. With that, some new enhancement has been given from here. See, the sun mode, the cookies, each and every modes you are having. You press it, see the colors are changing, and you are also having the black and white, the fade color, which is quite good with this phone. And some videos mode, the short video. Yes, you can record the videos at 4K. Let's see whether it can it could record. No, it cannot record the 4K. It can only record the full HD, that's 1080p at 30 frames per second. Let's talk about the front facing camera. Here the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro has provided the two cameras, that's a 20 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. 2 megapixel is for depth sensing. So let's click on photo. Hello YouTube. Yes, the shutter speed is quite fast and decent. Let's see the picture, see the color. The color accuracy is good. There is not so much color tidiness. The colors are quite natural and punchier also. So this is the beauty mode. The advanced mode you are having. See the slender big eyes, which you can beautify a lot. So I don't need all this. So let's go back to the video mode. Whether it could record the 4K or not. Let's see. No, it can record only full HD. That means 1080p at 30 frames per second. So this is all which we get now. And here's the portrait mode you are having also. Let's see how it works. Let's see. Yes, I will definitely show you some pictures, sample pictures. So this is the photo instant which I click now. The colors are really good and the photos are really very much bright and crispy. Again, I have to test a lot with this camera so that I will give you the proper judgment with this. There is some enhancement, the short video, the portrait mode, the time lapse also you are having, panorama, the manual which you are having. So that's pretty nice in this price segment. Next, how is the quality of this sound? Let's see. Phone ringtone. So this is the main speaker. At the right side, the main speaker this is, and this one is for show. The speaker is really amazing, though it has a single speaker, but still the speaker quality is very much crispy and loud. It's not that very much buzzy. It's very much sweet and crystal clear. One good thing is that they have provided the notification light. See the notification light, they have provided the light up when charging, the blink light. So that's pretty interesting thing with the headphones and the audio effects, where you can customize the sound while you are listening some music with your headphone. So that's pretty nice thing. With the 100 mode is also there, the quick balance option there, the button and gesture shortcuts are also having. So these are the things which we are having, and if you want some proper enhancement of this phone, please do let me know in the comment box. Let's talk about the verdict of this Redmi Note 6 Pro. Should you need to upgrade this phone? I will tell you, if you already have the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro, then no need to upgrade this phone, as because these two phones have very much similarities with a camera, with a processor, with a battery, each and everything maximum. Only the front facing camera has some 2 megapixel extra, which is for depth sensing, and this doesn't give any sort of proper judgment. So I will definitely test this phone a lot so that I will give you the best honest review from my side. Anyways, this is all about for today. I hope you like this video. Like किया ना? नहीं ना? Please like दे दीजिए, मुझे बहुत खुशी मिलती है. So till now, Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.